Hey guys, Jay from RS Garage. Came down to Lee Yearwood's Monster Performance this morning to run Tim's Evo on a all-wheel drive dyno jet. So we'd run the car a few weeks before at the Bushra Shootout. Knew everything was pretty good, but he still wanted to attach a dyno number to it. So we came down here, ran the car at 45 PSI, 40 PSI, moved the ignition timing around, moved the cams around a little bit. Just kind of runs how it runs, but it's for a 72 millimeter, 67 millimeter Reducer turbo. It's a Zona, kind of an odd duck of a turbo, but it runs really well on this engine. Those are pretty good numbers. Worked on the computer a little bit on just some things with the lambda control and fine tuning the boost control. But overall, pretty good running machine, has a history of staying alive, so hopefully we can follow that same history moving forward, because the other engine did really well for a long time. Again, it's this really low compression build. You can let the clutch out and just put it right on the floor, and it does very little to nothing until the turbocharger comes online. So it's very pronounced, pretty cool personality. It's backed with a sequential trans for making rips, so pretty neat car. And now we know that everything's in a good state of health. We got a good baseline to kind of check up on it in maybe another 5,000 or 10,000 miles and make sure everything's still staying the same.